holiday to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, who according to the Christian religion is the Son of God. Christmas encourages us to make merry and be happy. But Christmas shouldn't be used only to have fun. It is the time when we should think about the plight of those people who are less fortunate than us. It is the time when charity works are organized all across the globe. With this thought in our mind, let's celebrate this day with a lot of joy.
കതിരായിടും നീ മൊഴിഞ്ഞാൻ അതു മലരായിടും നീ കനിഞ്ഞാൻ അതു കതിരായിടും നിറവർണ്ണങ്ങളായി മാറിടും യേശുവേ എൻ ജീവിതം മാനത്തു ചായനേകും അഴകെഴും മഴവില്ലും കുളിരേകും മന്ദമാരുതനും മാനത്തു ചായമേകും അഴകെഴും മഴവില്ലും കുളിരേകും മന്ദമാരുതനും പ്രകൃതിയെ നോക്കി ഞാൻ പുഞ്ചിരിക്കും നിൻ സൃഷ്ടികളെത്ര അതിമോഹനം നീ മൊഴിഞ്ഞാൻ അതു മലരായിടും നീ കനിഞ്ഞാൻ അതു കതിരായിടും നീ മൊഴിഞ്ഞാൻ അതു മലരായിടും നീ കനിഞ്ഞാൻ അതു കതിരായിടും നിറവർണ്ണങ്ങളായി മാറിടും യേശുവേ എൻ ജീവിതം നീ മൊഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതു മലരായിടും അതു കതിരായിടും.
Jesus Christmas is an ultimate image of forgiveness. So people on this day visit their families, friends and relatives so that to celebrate together. As Sir Norman Vincent said, Christmas is a magic wand all around this world and behold, everything is softer and more beautiful. Kindness and love are what make the celebrations more beautiful than ever.
Happy Christmas to all. The Christmas is not fulfilled without songs. So let's hear the melodious song Silent Night.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild.
Christ. On this day, we celebrate Christmas. So let's watch an act of a story based on the birth of Jesus Christ.
Once there lived a little sheep. He is lame. With this leg, he is unable to walk and go out to play with his friends. So, he will always lay down in the corner of cowshed, thinking about his miserable condition. The sheep looked outside and sat down quietly. Suddenly, he saw two people coming towards the cowshed. It was Joseph and Mary. They came there to stay that night, as Mary was pregnant and she is too tired to travel further. The little sheep moved to the corner of cowshed and began to sleep. He slept for long hours. When he woke up, he saw something in the cowshed shining in the middle. He went nearby and found a cute baby with lustrous smile. It was baby Jesus. The little sheep was very happy to see the baby. He saw the baby was shivering with cold. He went nearby and laid near the baby. The baby looked at him. Suddenly, he felt something in his leg. Now his leg is cured. He walked and checked his legs again. The sheep was very happy. He danced with happiness. He understood the baby was really the Son of God Jesus. He thanked God. Loving Father, help us remember the birth of Jesus, that we may share in the song of angels and worships of the wise men. Close the door of hate and open the door of love all over the world. Let kindness come with every gift and good desires with every greetings.
Due to COVID-19, this year there are restrictions to celebrate Christmas with our near and dear ones, but this should not reduce the joy of the special occasion. Celebrate this Christmas by following the COVID protocols. On behalf of everyone in Class 7D, I wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you.